Real quick video on how to change the brakes on a Dodge Ram 3500 dual rear wheels. These bolts pistons, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Honka honka. Alright. Now the wrench is twice as long. Enough, and you know you've thrown your back out. All the way off. Slides nice and easy. You can't put it on backwards, trust me. It's not possible. Yeah, that should be fine. You can put a little bit of grease at the bottom of this so it slides a little better. Snap. As soon as it finds its way. So the back side should look just like the front. Right over the top. It's the thickness. It's going to start ding 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 ding. It'll kind of hold itself. I think it's what gives you your clamping power. Whenever you're driving, go ahead and clean up the mess that you made. Good. Go ahead and put your tire back on. Good. I don't know, 100, 200 miles. Do the same thing on the other side.